Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to set your 2018 goals and how to make them actually happen, which is a hard task to actually have happen. Do you know that 40% of people set New Year's resolutions and only 8% of them actually follow through on them? So it's really easy to set a goal and have a plan of what you want and things that you want to do. So some common resolutions are, I want to lose more weight, or I want to lose some weight. I want to be more healthy. I want to spend more time with my family. I want to give back more. I want to be happier. I want to appreciate more. Those are some common resolutions that people always make that never seem to actually follow through. And the biggest problem is that you're putting a humongous expectation on yourself. Instead of actually making measurable, realistic goals, you say, I want to lose weight. Well, okay, you want to lose weight. Okay, well, I want longer hair. But how is it going to happen? Like, do you know what I mean? You have to set realistic, measurable goals to actually achieve the things you want to achieve. So saying something like, I want to lose 5 pounds by the end of January. Okay, that's a measurable goal because you can actually set a plan to do that versus saying, I want to lose weight. So before we fully dive into this video, you guys, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any videos that are coming up for 2018. So old habits die hard, and breaking a habit is very, very hard. It takes 21 days to form a habit. So you got to think about from January 1st to January 21st, you have to consistently do the same thing, routine, to actually achieve your goal. It's so easy to slip back into eating junk and not taking care of yourself and not even looking at your goals, because that's just human nature, is that we say we want all these things, but we don't actually put a plan in place on how to actually get there. So my biggest tip for you guys is routine and planning. And yes, this sounds icky and not exciting. For me, it's exciting because I love routine and I love planning. But if you don't create a routine for your life, you're never going to achieve anything. And I mean anything in life, not just New Year's resolutions, I mean anything. So if you want to lose weight this New Year's, 2018 is your year to get in shape, to lose weight, whatever your goal might be, you need to make a plan. So something like this, you would make a routine plan of doing your meal prep. You would routine out which days of the week you're going to the gym or going to yoga or going to a fitness class or going for a run. Whatever your routine looks like, you need to map out your week of meals and of workouts. And it's really not that hard, you guys. Take Sunday, cook a bunch of chicken and rice and whatever vegetable you want, and have that planned out for your entire meals for the week. So I'm not saying eat the same meal every day. I'm not saying eat the same thing every day. Maybe make a few different variations of meal prep, but make a plan to actually have these things laid out for the entire week. It makes it a lot easier to not fall off the wagon and not give in to eating out or junk food if you have a structured, routined eating plan. So setting 3 meals a day, lunch, breakfast, dinner, and then having snacks in between, and having the same routined meal plan for the entire week. And then setting out what days you're actually going to go work out. So it's really not that hard. It sounds difficult, but it's really not, I promise you. If you don't make a plan, if you don't plan for your goals and your aspirations to come true, they're not going to come true. That's just the reality of it. So my second tip for you guys is shoot for the moon, and it's okay if you fall among the stars. Because when you set a goal and say, I'm going to do this, yes, you can work towards that goal, and yes, that can be a plan or a vision of yours, but don't put this massive pressure on yourself if you do fall off the bandwagon, if you do eat some junk food, if you do indulge in going out one night. It's okay because you're human, and being healthy is a lifestyle, and it is a consistent work in progress. I eat super clean, and I literally eat the same 3 meals pretty much every single day of the week besides the weekends. But I still have cheat meals and I still go out for dinner when I feel like I want to. You have to find that balance. So work towards a goal, but make it measurable, and don't be so hard on yourself if you are struggling, because it takes time to form habits and it takes time to create those habits. If you put this massive pressure on yourself, all you're going to do is fail, because you have this intense, like, oh my god, I have to meet this goal, and then you're sitting there stressing out over it and you're gonna like crack under the pressure. So you have to not be retardedly hard on yourself, and you have to just go through the motions, do the best that you can. Know that it's okay if you don't fully reach that 5 pounds. Maybe you only make 2 pounds, so that's okay. As long as you're actively trying to get somewhere, that is what counts. So being clear in setting your goals is really important. So set those goals clearly and make them tangible, not intangible. And what I mean by that is, I want to eat healthier and lose 5 pounds by the end of January versus I want to lose a bunch of weight. That's intangible, whereas losing 5 pounds is tangible. You can actually achieve that. Don't make this massive goal that is not achievable for you. And how do we make this happen? Well, by journaling your goals, writing them down. Anything that you put on paper is putting a self-fulfilling prophecy out into the universe. So whatever you're going to put out there, you're going to get back. So make sure that you're either journaling, doing a to-do list, maybe making a vision board is something that is a really great idea for seeing your goals and seeing everything you want visually. Because if you visualize and you put everything you want out there, those things will happen. Vision boarding has been proven science that it will actually work and actually change your life. So making a vision board is something that is so simple and so easy to do. And another great way of reaching your goals is having an accountability partner. So either your spouse or your friend or your mom or whoever in your life that can keep you accountable to your goals. So if you tell your best friend, I want to lose 5 pounds, I want to look and feel better, then tell that person so they hold you accountable, so that they're your gym buddy or they're your workout buddy or they're your person you talk to and you're like, all I want to do is eat that chocolate because I look so good. So have an accountability partner because they will help you achieve your goals. Having support and having a support team around you will benefit you so much in achieving the things that you want to get done. And my last and final tip for you guys is believe in your goal and believe in the vision you have. Because if you're not in love with the idea of getting in shape and losing some weight, then you're never going to achieve it. If you don't love what you do, then you're never going to see the result that you want to see. And yes, I know it sounds kind of sticky because nobody really likes working out and nobody really loves going to the gym, but if your goal and your vision is strong enough to lose that weight and to feel greater and healthier and better about yourself, then it will happen. But if you make this goal and say, I want to lose 5 pounds, but really you can't be motivated or get your ass off the couch to do it, then it's never going to happen. So make sure that you're in love with the goals that you set, in love with the dream and the vision of what that goal is going to give you, and that is how you will achieve this goal. So those are my tips for you guys. Create a routine and a plan to achieve your goals. Make them achievable and tangible, not intangible. Shoot for the moon, but land in the stars, and to not be so hard on yourself. And my third way is believe in yourself and believe that you can achieve anything that you want to achieve, because at the end of the day, if you want it, you're going to make it happen. So those are my steps and tips on how to achieve your goals in 2018 and to actually make them happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks guys, bye!